All right, 900 students, 900. Adding and subtracting mixed numbers. Different than proper fractions like we were before. Now we have mixed numbers. What makes this tricky is you guys are like programmed to take mixed numbers and change them into improper fractions. Then that comes from when you multiply and divide. When you're adding and subtracting, you do not do that. What you do is you're going to just get the common denominator again. So 12 and 10, you take multiples of 12, 12 times 2, 12 times 3. When you get up to 12 times 5, you will get 60, and that's your common denominator. So what you do is I like to put equal signs here and make it 8 and blank over 60 and 5 and blank over 60, and we're building up these fractions. And if you don't know how to build up fractions, watch that video. It's called Building Up Fractions. To get this new top number, I'll make this in a different color just so you can see that that's all we have to do here is fill in these two blanks. That's it. So 12 times what is 60, and that's 5. So 5 times 5 is 25. If I can write, let's just do that over. And, okay, make that 25. Good times. 10 times what is 60? That's 6. 3 times 6 is 18. And as long as this number is smaller than this number, we're good to go. If this number here is bigger than this number, then you need to watch the next video, which is on borrowing, and I'll show you that in a minute. You just subtract the whole numbers. 8 minus 5 is 3. The bottom, of course, stays 60 because that's the size of the pieces you're subtracting. And you have 25 minus 18 of them, which is 7. So this is 3 and 7/60ths. And you would try to reduce that, in which you can't. So we call that a final answer right there. On this one, we're going to do the same thing, except we're adding this time. We're making a mental note that we're adding. Our common denominator is going to be a 6. So we got 10 and blank over 6. Again, we're setting ourselves up here for success. Put the plus. And we're going to fill in this blank. This one doesn't change, so that's going to be a 5. And this is 3 times 2 is 6, so 2 times 2 is 4. All right, good things are going to happen here. I'll show you how to simplify that. You do 10 plus 9 is 19. The bottom stays a 6. The top is a 9. This is no good here. That's like saying I'm 5 foot 14 inches tall instead of 6 foot 2. It's just not right. This right here is not cool at all. So what we need to do is take the 9/6 and divide 6 into 9. The way I remember that is the fraction kind of falls over like this. Okay, falls over, the 9 is on the inside, the 6 is on the outside. 6 goes into 9 once. And this would be like a clock, 1 2/3, or 1 3/6 rather. I was about to reduce that. 1 3/6, which is 1 1/2. So then we take our 19 and add to that. So we add these two circles together, and we get 20 and 1/2. If you can do that in your head, 9/6 is 1 3/6. Just don't forget to reduce the 3/6 to 1/2, and this is our final answer. And that is adding and subtracting mixed numbers with a nice review right here of how to simplify stuff like that, which is often forgotten as well. I'll talk to you later.